You searched how to buy shares of Telos Corporation, a company that provides cybersecurity and enterprise IT solutions. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TLS. And this video is educational content only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TLS to locate Telos Corporation. Check the search results carefully to find the correct NASDAQ listing before opening the stock page. On the stock page, review the company description and the recent price chart to confirm it is Telos Corporation. Verify the listing shows NASDAQ and the TLS ticker before proceeding to buy. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, review order details such as order type and fees, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After your order executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps shown in this video.